x multiplied by x plus 2 equals 3. Then we use the rule we learned before. You expand the bracket. X squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then for the purpose of this session, this answer is fine. This is okay. So this is fine, so you can finalize the answer at this step. But we will learn next time we can solve the equation and find the value of x using factorizing. So to find the value of x in this case, we multiply 3 by the constant here, which is 1. So 3 is the answer. 3 comes from 3 multiplied by 1. And then the aim is to find the value of the middle part. That means 3x minus x, that will give us 2x. So if you apply this, x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3 equals 0. Rearrange the equation just to make it easier to find the common denominator. X squared minus x plus 3x minus 3 equals 0. Take x as a common denominator, x minus 1 here, plus 3, take it as a common denominator, 3x divided by 3, x minus 1 equals 0. Rearrange the equation, x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1 equals 0. That means either this part is 0 or this. That means x could be minus 3 or x could be 1. Let's look at the second example. 3x plus 2y equals 10. And then you have a second part, which is x equals 8 minus y. Now the aim of this is to find the value of x and y. If you in these types of equations, normally we subtract one from each other, and then we end up with one variable. But in this case we can't, because if you do this 3x minus x, you will have 2x. 2y minus, if we arrange it again, then it will be difficult to get rid of both of one variable. So we need to simplify it further. Let's just rearrange the second equation, make it easier. 3x plus 2y equals 10, and then let's make it the same format as the first equation. X plus y equals 8. I will multiply this equation by 2 so I can get rid of the y. So let's see what happens here. 3x plus 2y equals 10, and if I multiply by 2, that means 2x plus 2y equals 16. And then now we can subtract, because 3x minus 2x, x, 2y minus 2y, that goes away, and then x will be 10 minus 16 minus 6. Let's apply it in the above equation just to find the value. So x, we know it's minus 6 plus y equals 8. That means y equals 14. Okay, let's look at the final example. X plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1, and then the answer is 4 divided by 6. So if you go back to the first principle we learned before, if you multiply by both by this exactly the same number, then the equation remains the same. Or we could do the reciprocal, so we can get rid of this part. So we multiply by 6 by 4 multiplied by x plus 2, and then you have 2x, here should be 1, 2x plus 1, and then 4 by 6 multiplied by 6. Of course that goes with this. That means 4x, we multiply this part, 6x plus 12, and then 4 by 2x, 8x plus 4, because this is bracket and then you just multiply it, and then the answer is 1. And then we'll do the same, 6x plus 12. If you multiply by this value on both sides, that means 8x plus 4. Then you just simplify this further, that means 2x, because you bring the 6x on this side, and then 4 on that, on the other side, so that means 8. And that means x will be 8, of course, divided by 2 equals 4. That's the value of x. I hope that was useful and a refresher for some of you if you come across these in the past. There will be more support sessions, more questions to practice on, and will hopefully help you to develop more your skills in algebra. Thank you very much.